Hello guys, so this is the first video where I can explain you how you can install Postman on your Linux system. So let's get started. First you have to select your browser, open your browser and choose one of your profiles and just type this how to install Postman on Ubuntu. You will get this first link. Click on this link, scroll down a bit and you have to install snap first. Sudo apt install snap, and then using snap you can install this Postman on your system. I've already installed this on my system so that I can show you after installation. It should look like something this. You should enter your email ID, username, password. If you don't have already account registered with Postman, so you can sign in with Google as well, as you can see. And once you log in, you would see the screen like this. Now the first thing is you need to create your workspace. Workspace is a place where you can run your collections, and a collection is a thing where you can run multiple requests. So there is a combination of requests which comes under a collection, and multiple collection can reside in a workspace. So it's better like if you're working in a company, then if you want like particular collections or request can be accessed to other team members as well, then you can create workspaces. So you can click home and click on workspaces here and create your own workspace. For example, my first workspace. Then if you want to add a summary, then you can add a summary as well. And the visibility of this workspace either to you only, means Postman, or a team, or public, so that you can share it outside of your organization as well. So I am selecting team here and creating my first workspace, and inside my workspace you see here a collection. So if you click here, create a collection, then you would name your collection. So my first collection in Postman. The name should not be so much long. Oh, let me correct it. Collection. And then when you click anywhere outside of this box, this will be created as my first collection. And when you click on add a request, then it will ask you this request name. So I will add my first request, and here you can select a type of request: get, post, put, patch, delete, copy, head, and multiple options that are available. So in most of the companies and most of the scenarios we use these two only. So I will be covering only these two type of request, get and post request. So enter the post endpoint here and whatever attributes you want to add in headers, authorizations, body, that we will cover in our next video. So thanks for watching.